guys, my name is Tortuga, and I want to thank you for tuning in for this episode of Sailing New Horizons. Welcome to Culebra. I am a sea turtle, and I am swimming with two foreign creatures, Spencer and Dara. Stay tuned, as later in this episode you'll see some more of my friends. Okay, see you later. Previously on Sailing New Horizons, we anchored right here at the island of Culebra. And in our classic fashion, we hit the ground running. Here we are, headed to shore to drop off some laundry and explore the island. Often when we arrive in a new place, we have to search around for a suitable dinghy dock, but here we felt very welcome as they had a dock specifically labeled just for dinghies. Well, here's something you don't see on a beach every day. It's an abandoned tank. And here we are the next day, getting ready to hop in the dinghy and go on a new adventure. We're gonna head over to Playa Tamarindo, where there's supposed to be a bunch of sea turtles and other sea life. Oh, well, hello again. And here we are on our way back to the anchorage to go hang out on a friend's boat.
Just like that.
then we rang in 2023 on Culebra at this awesome dance party. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for next time to see where we sail to next. See ya!